Hi everyone, welcome back to Flourishing Academy. So in today's video, as you can see, we'll be building our very rock paper scissors game using MIT App Inventor. This will be an interesting video, so do well not to miss this video and make sure you watch from the beginning to the end. So we will start by bringing the buttons, the three buttons for the rock, paper, and scissors. Now, before we put the button, we need an important component, which is horizontal arrangement. Now, for the horizontal arrangement, let's bring it to the bottom. We align it vertically to the bottom. Then for the horizontal arrangement, we align vertical center. Then the align horizontal to center for the horizontal arrangement. Now for the height, that will be auto. Then for the width, that will be fit parent because we want it to be big. So that's it. Now the next component will be the button, which is our rock, paper, scissors button. Now this is our first button. So let's design our button. Our font to be bold, then our background color to be orange. Our text, let's make it 15 px. Then our height and width, let's make it auto. Then our shape, let's make it rounded. Then our text, this will be our rock button. Rock. So let's just copy and paste this button. So let's just change the text. This will be our paper button. Then this will be our scissors button. So we are done with our button. Then moving on, we need another horizontal arrangement. Now this one will be where our images will be. Now let's make this align top. Okay, let's make it align center. Then our height, let's fit parent because we want it to fit the screen. Then our width, let's fit parent. Let's make it fit parent too. So inside this horizontal arrangement, we need a vertical arrangement. Now, what this vertical arrangement will be holding will be the two text and one image. So two label text and one image. Then the first label, then followed by an image, then the second label. So the first label will be what will be holding, what will signify the player and the computer because we are playing between the player and the computer. So the first label, let's make the fonts 20 or let's make it 25. Then let's make the font bold. Then this will be U. So now for the label 2, which will be holding the score, let's just make that 0. So and let's change the font size to 20. Let's make the font bold too. Oh no, let's increase the font size. Let's make it 30. So now for the image, let's make the size of the image, the height of the image 50 pixels. Then the width of the image, let's make it, or let's make it 50%. So that's it. So let's align this vertical. Let's make the vertical arrangement center. Then for the horizontal arrangements, okay, center. So now let's just copy and paste this. Okay, sorry. So the second one will be for the computer. Change the text, computer. So we are done with our design. So the this will house the computer with the image and the score. This will house the user, which is you, image and the score. So now we have to upload the images that will be needing. And we are done with the uploading of the images. So, and also we need to rename some components, like the button one, that will be rock. Button two, that will be paper. Then button three, that will be scissors. Also, for the label, let's rename label 3 as, oh, sorry, label 4 as computer score. Then, same as label 2, computer, user score. So, with that, we are done with our design. Let's move on to the logic phase.